In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to start your truck for half an hour using the FordPass app, and the only way to achieve this is by using ForScan. So what you guys are going to see in a little bit is that the truck will automatically start for 15 minutes, and if you want it to run for half an hour, you have to click the plus 15 up top, and then after that you can't restart your truck again, or you can't add any more minutes. You're forced to drive your truck, and then you can restart it again with your FordPass app. So once in ForScan, we're gonna go in configuration and programming. We're gonna scroll down all the way to TCU module configuration as built, and then right here we're gonna write an E, hit right, yes. So let's give this a try. So as you guys heard, the truck did start, but the downside of doing this, you'll get a message saying that it didn't. And if you have an iPhone, you can make shortcuts that will let you know if the truck started. And as you guys can see there, it's on for 30 minutes. And you can turn it off and on as many times as you guys want. And I'll show you a little clip of the iPhone shortcuts.
Your truck is running.
And hopefully you guys like this video. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe.